Okay, so now let's start with the graphical user interface of our project. So the first of all we have to enter the name in our website. So let's enter the name Indra. And if we will not enter any symptom, then the project will not work. Like it is asking for from us to enter the at least 2 symptoms. So okay, let's start with entering the symptoms. Enter second symptoms. Enter the third symptoms. Okay, I have entered the same symptoms. Let's enter any other. So as we have entered all 5 symptoms, then let's start with the prediction of our first algorithm called decision tree. It has predicted that the disease is urinary tract infection. If we'll talk about random forest, then it has also predicted the same, that the disease may be urinary tract infection. If we'll talk about neighbor base, it has also predicted the same disease. And talk about k nearest neighbor, then all have predicted the same disease. Let's reset and again input some name. Let's input the name Uma. There is one more thing to see. If we will not enter the first 2 symptoms or name, then it will not show anything. So it is mandatory to input the symptoms and names. Like let's take the third disease. Okay, so now let's again predict the diseases. Decision tree has shown that it may be a common cold, whereas the random forest has shown urinary tract infection, and nib-base has also predicted the same, and K-nearest neighbor also predicted the same. So there is a huge chances that disease may be the urinary tract infection. Again, let's reset the input and let's go to the database. As I have entered the two diseases. I have entered the 2 symptoms 2 times, and so it is showing now I have entered the Indra and Uma, so it is now showing in the database. It is for the K nearest neighbor, which has been predicted both the times urinary tract infection. We'll talk about decision tree. Then it has predicted the common cold and urinary tract infection. Going through the random forest, it has shown us the disease urinary tract infection. So we have created this database for the 4 different tables, and the first column here is the symptoms, the name of the patient. Then the second column is the symptoms, which symptom 1, symptom 2, symptom 3, symptom 4, so on, and the disease at the last, which we have predicted from the software. So this is all about the GUI and the system, database system.